Guys, what's up? It's me, Warren, back in another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a popping noise too. What was that? I honestly don't know what that was. I felt like it was like a rock hitting the window or something. Like there's two windows by me. Because my dog, or it's my dog jumping on the thing because fireworks are going off. 4th of July is almost here. Happy 4th of July for you guys that celebrate it. And she jumps on there because, you know, they're scared. But I'm going to be showing you guys how to make popping noise. Two. Because there's 2 ways. 3 ways. One is to go like this. It's sounding like a clock. I don't really like it. I don't like it, actually. I don't really like doing it that much anymore. But, that's what I used to do. That's what I started off with until I was in the Y one day, and my friend, he was just like going like this. And then the staff was like, "Who's doing that?" And then my friend was like, "Me." And he was like, "Me." So then he was like, "How do you do that? That's cool." And then I started going like, and he was like, "No, it's not funny. Stop." So it was really stupid. You know, I don't think that was necessary for him to say how I did it was stupid, but for him it was not stupid. 1 second, guys. Okay, would you guys see anything different? Oh yeah, it's my hat. Because, you know, angels. Post in the comment section who you guys like in baseball. For you guys who like angels, put hashtag angels in the comment section down below. Yeah. I'm good with my hair on. So, back again to the tutorial. So this is how you're going to do it. You're just going to put your tongue at the top of your mouth. And, you know. 1 second, guys.
I'm gonna go.
Yeah, you go. Wait, what's your social media? You have followers on Instagram or Twitter? Oh yeah, the Luna's Instagram.
Go follow my cat on Instagram, BellaLuna08.
Wait, where'd you get Bella? She doesn't even have a nickname or something. It's just Luna. That's her social media on Instagram. That's her cat's. She acts like a soccer mom. Yeah, this is how you're going to do it. Just put your tongue at the top of your mouth. And just quickly put it down. But you got to kind of like suck the air in, but don't let any air in. I don't know how I started doing it. And for like it's kind of the same thing, but your tongue moves a little bit different. I don't know how to explain it. For the 3rd popping noise, this is how it's going to look like. This is how you're going to do it. So you're going to put your finger and put it in your mouth, on your cheek, and then you're just going to slide it all the way. Slide it. And then you got to do it fast, though. Like, if you're trying to do a lawnmower, you got to go like that. But in case you're going like that, so you got to go. So that's how you're going to do it. And, you know, just go like this. Kind of like that motion. That's how you do that. Also, go follow me on Musical.ly. I forgot what my Musical.ly is. I haven't done one in a while. I think it's like Warren Smith. 2007. I don't know. But when I edit this video, I'll make sure to put it in the right now. So it should be like somewhere up here or somewhere down here. right here, somewhere right here, or somewhere right here. You know, somewhere over there, somewhere over here, anywhere. Could be anywhere right now. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out. Remember to follow me on Musical.ly. Touching you guys. Touching you guys. Touching you guys. See you guys later. Peace out.